David, I want to practice English every day, but I don't have time for classes.
That's exactly why many people stop learning. They think they need expensive courses or a lot of time.
Yes, I just want something simple.
Good news, you only need your phone.
Really?
Yes, today we'll share 5 free apps that can help you practice English every day in 2025. Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English in simple ways. In today's episode, you'll discover the best free apps to improve your English anytime, anywhere. Before I start, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Let's get started. App 1. Vocabulary and Basics. First app, Duolingo.
I've heard of it.
It's great for beginners. You can learn vocabulary, grammar, and basic sentences.
And it's fun, too.
App 2. Speaking Practice. Second app, HelloTalk.
What does it do?
You can talk with real people and practice speaking.
That sounds very useful.
App 3. Listening Skills. Third app, BBC Learning English.
Is it good for listening?
Yes, it has real conversations, news, and lessons. App 4. Reading and Vocabulary. Fourth app, Quizlet.
Flashcards?
Yes, you can learn and review words easily. App 5. Real English Content. Fifth app, YouTube.
Of course.
You can watch real conversations, podcasts, and practice daily.
How to use these apps daily?
So how should I use them every day? Simple plan. 10 minutes on Duolingo, 10 minutes listening on BBC Learning English, 10 minutes speaking on HelloTalk.
Only 30 minutes?
Yes, and it's very effective.
Why people fail? Why do people still not improve?
Because they download apps but don't use them. They are not consistent. They give up too quickly.
So, consistency is the key again.
Always. Real-life practice. Let's try a simple speaking example. What app do you use to learn English?
I use Duolingo and YouTube to practice every day.
Great, that's a natural answer.
Now I feel like I can practice anytime.
Exactly. Your phone is your classroom.
I'll start today.
Final tips. Use apps every day. Practice listening and speaking. Keep it simple. Stay consistent.
Thanks, David. These apps will really help me.
You're welcome. Keep learning. Great job. Now you know the best free apps to practice English every day in 2025. Start today and improve step by step. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.